I am so excited. I got 3 amazing boxes delivered last night right when I was heading out, and I just wanted to open them right away, but I couldn't. 2 of them are seasonal boxes. I got my Box of Style, my Pop Sugar Must Have, both fall boxes, obviously, and then I got the Sparkle Hustle and Grow box for September. So I asked you guys on Instagram what you would rather have me open first, the Box of Style or the Pop Sugar Must Have, and it's 50-50. So I opened my favorite. It's really hard to say what one's my favorite. They're both so good, but I picked Box of Style. So if you don't know, Box of Style is a box by Rachel Zoe, who is awesome. I love her. She's so cool. So it's normally $99 every 3 months, so every season. It's a quarterly box, whatever you want to call it, seasonal or quarterly, but it typically, you get it like about the first day of each season, right? Like I think by now it's been the first day of fall, so I'm filming this a few days in advance because I couldn't wait. So yeah, like I said, it's $99, but I actually have a coupon code for you guys, so it's $25 off. And you get over $400 worth of products in each box, which is awesome. So it's a great value. So if you've never gotten this before, it'll be $75 for $400 in value or more. I don't know the value yet. But at least 400 they say. And it comes in this cute box. I've not peeked, but yeah. And everything usually comes individually wrapped. Like, we'll see though, I can't tell. This one, that might be all just in one thing, but it's a magnetic closure. You can reuse the box if you want. It's so good. I love this box so much. I'm just gonna get unboxing. And I'll leave the link below. Oh, and look, hello, gorgeous. Hi. Door. Okay, so yeah, I already showed you. It's kind of tore apart the packaging. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is individually wrapped. Ooh, except one thing, but that's on the bottom. So, well, first thing I see on here is like a little card. It says, "Put down that overpriced mascara and buy yours from Beauty Pie instead. The free trial membership to Beauty Pie gives you access to skincare and makeup from the world's leading cosmetic labs." So I guess there's like a code to try out this service where you can get makeup. I don't know, that's just a bonus extra item they threw in there. So each of the items are wrapped up individually like this. It's seriously like Christmas. It's so fun to open all of this. Here, I'll show you. Now that I have the wrapping up. Ooh, just knocked this thing over. It's just, yeah, you probably can't even see. It's just a bunch of black tissue paper. So they're all wrapped individually in black tissue paper. I just keep repeating myself. Okay. So, let's set that aside. And this looks like it's by Box of Style by Rachel Zoe and Atika. Maybe this is jewelry or something. Let's see. Guys, this box is always so good. I love Rachel Zoe's style, so this box is seriously so good always. Oh, it is jewelry. So, let's see. It looks like a necklace. Oh, is there an information card in here somewhere? I'll find it in a second. I'm too excited. Oh, so there's 2 little baggies. Oh, to keep it all nice and like detangled, which is very convenient and awesome of them, because I hate when I get things tangled up because I'm lazy and I don't like to untangle things. This is cool. So there's a clasp, and then look at this. It's like a layered, beautiful necklace. I love it. So pretty. Okay. Now let me see if I can find the card that comes with it. It's all the way on the bottom. I see it now. I was a little impatient. Oh, hi, Amy. So pretty Box of Style, fall 2018. And then gorgeous Rachel Zoe. I'm not gonna read all this. Let's just flip right. Ooh, I can see some cool things. Okay, so this is the Elegant Extra. She said, "I wanted to do the styling for you with this delicately layered 18 karat gold plated necklace complete with crystal accents. The retail value of this is $80. So if you get your box for $75, this covers it. And it's the first product. Crazy. So there's a styling tip too. It says, pair with a plunging neckline for a night out. Wear in the loosest setting over a chunky sweater to add a dash of sparkle. And there's a gorgeous model wearing it. So cute. All right. Yay. Okay, next. Ooh. Oh, I think this is a belt. We got an email asking us our size. It's like small or medium or large and extra large or something like that. I just went with the larger one because I'd rather have a looser belt I can adjust than too tight that doesn't have that option. And I'm not small. So this is super cute. Look at this. And this is by Below the Belt. So it has these gold things. Oh, this is super cute. This will be so good for like sweaters and stuff. That's another reason why I chose a bigger size, because you can layer it with the chunky stuff. Okay, so here is, I love a statement belt, and this versatile version is perfect for defining your waist no matter what you're wearing. And the retail value of this is $70. And it says use the adjustable vegan leather belt to cinch everything from a tweedy coat to an ethereal, I don't know that word, dress. So she's wearing over a jacket. That's so cute. Yay, super excited. I'm making a mess already. On to the next. So fun. It's a little messy having all this paper everywhere, but you can actually reuse some of this if you don't rip it like I did. You know, holidays are coming around. I don't know if you want to use black, but if you do, I think it's kind of chic. Oh, Cadeli. Is that how you say it? Vino Perfect. Does this mean it's made with grapes? It's a serum. This is what it looks like. #1 anti-dark spot product. Ooh. Cool, this looks fancy. This is probably expensive. Looks like some bougie facial stuff to me. Yeah, retail value $79. See, like I would never buy this for myself, but I'm super pumped. I bet it works well. Let's see what Rachel has to say. This is the ideal product for rejuvenating post-summer skin. Serum is always a good idea. I apply mine throughout the day. This is an award-winning anti-dark spot serum. It's ideal for enhancing all skin types. It's also oil-free, non-comedogenic, and non-photosensitizing. It says patented skin after cleansing and before moisturizing to boost radiance. Awesome, and this will last a long time. Where did I put them? Yeah, this is the big size, 30 mLs. Awesome. See, I love subscription boxes for this reason. And again, that's more than $75 if you use that coupon. Don't mean to push it, but I think you should get it because this box is fucking awesome. Excuse my French. Anyways. Oh, this is Beauty Pie. Remember that little card in the beginning? It says something about that? Beauty Pie Uber Volume Boost Mascara. Oh, guys, remember what I said? That I'm going to put all my mascaras I get into my giveaway? It's going to be like all mascaras if I keep getting them. I just have so many, but let's see. Maybe I'll exchange this one for another if it sounds super good, but I'll definitely put another mascara in my giveaway, which by the way will be live once I hit 1,000 subscribers. My last giveaway was at 500 and it was a $500 value, so we'll see what this is. So this is a retail value of $24, and Rachel says, I don't leave my house without a full lash. This formula is amazing and it gives me that glossy and voluminous look all day long. This lash booster instantly volumizes, lengthens, and thickens for glossy, gorgeous lashes. Build coverage by layering and use the tip of the wand to coat your bottom lashes for a more dramatic look. So I'm not going to open it and show you guys the wand, but you can kind of see it on here. Just because I probably will put this in my giveaway because I have so many mascaras, and if I keep getting lash extensions, then I don't really need it much, you know. But it seems awesome. And if Rachel likes it, I'm sure we all will like it. Alright, let me... Oh, I forgot. This is something you get to customize. So you get an email asking you between, or we got an email asking if you want black or this a colored version. I think I got the colored version. Let me see. You'll see in just a sec. So there's usually like some kind of clothing item, but it's like a versatile clothing item, like you guys see me wearing that palm tree type thing in my Stitch Fix videos? Like it's the cover up or like top. That was from a Box of Style. So this is like the fall version. Look at, oh my god, look at this print. So it's either all black or this. You see? So it's like a purple-y color. And it says feels like 100 degrees here, but I'm going to try it on so you can kind of get a sense. So it's like this, like a shawl. Oh my god, it's so comfy and it hits at the perfect spot. And there's some fringe at the end. Oh my gosh, I love this for fall. And I love that it's not long sleeve so I can, you know, wear it in freaking hot Southwest Florida. Oh, and you can see Rachel's wearing it here, the one I have with the belt. Oh, cute. Okay, and this has a retail value of $228. What? Oh my God, so this is the Cleo Bella Savini Caplet exclusive. Rachel says, Luxe straight knitwear is a huge trend for the season and never goes out of style. In my favorite fall hue, Bordeaux, so that's the color I have. Oh God, I want wine now. This caplet looks stunning with everything from wide leg denim trousers to evening wear. Awesome, oh my gosh, I think that's everything. This box is so good. Okay, I'm just gonna add up the total and see if it's 400 exactly or if it's more or what. Because they say 400 and it seems like it probably is over. So 228 plus 79 plus 70 plus 80 plus 24. $481 value. Oh my God, you get over 400 what you pay for if you get it with my discount code. I really like this box. I'm never disappointed. I've gotten it well over a year now, probably like 6 times maybe. I got my mom hooked on it. She loves it. She got it before me. I was really jealous. But yeah, I just got mine. I love it. I think you guys will if you like what you see. It's still available. Hurry, I don't know how long it will be. But I'll leave the link and the promo code. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but I'll have it both in the description box, and I'll leave a pinned comment with it too if you're interested, or if you just want to check out the website and learn more about it. And it's available in some other countries besides the United States. I'll list that below too. I know it's not everywhere, but some other countries too. I think it's free shipping in the United States, and then you have to pay like $15, $10, something like that to ship international. But I'll leave all that information below, and thank you so much for stopping by. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.